Hey guys, welcome to TechPort, and this is Redmi 6 Pro unboxing. Comes in a nice and same as the Redmi Note 5 Pro white box. In the box there is Redmi 6 Pro, but for now let's keep it aside and let's check out what's more inside. There are some manuals including warranty information, and there is this clear TPU flexible case. This is a good thing that they have at least included a case in the box. USB to micro USB data charging cable with this charging adapter that is rated at 5V 2A, and it is not a fast charger. And finally, as always, there is this SIM ejector tool. There is no screen protector included in the box and not even pre-applied on the phone. So now let's test out the case fitting on the Redmi 6 Pro, and yes, it fits well and feel good in hands. Now let's just jump onto the design. Now talking about the design, then it comes with a notch that is small and I really liked it. At least Xiaomi has tried to cut out the bezels at this budget segment. That is a nice thing. So it sports a Full HD Plus display with that 19:9 aspect ratio. On the top of the phone there is this infrared sensor, secondary noise cancellation microphone, and wow, there is this 3.5mm headphone jack. Always happy to see this port. Now moving on to the bottom, then there is this micro USB port situated with microphone and the speaker that is loud but decent sounding speaker. So this smartphone, Redmi 6 Pro, body is made up of both metal and also the plastic. So this is only where the metal is used, but on the top, bottom and on the sides it is the plastic. Also the SIM tray is made up of plastic, so there is very much cost cutting on this phone. So now talking about the SIM tray, then there is this dual SIM with dual 4G standby, so you can use both SIMs on 4G at the same time. So here is a good thing that I liked about this, and it is that it has dedicated micro SD card slot. Now moving on to the buttons, then they are made up of metal. That's nice and gives very nice feedback. There is also the fingerprint sensor that is fast enough to unlock, and yes, it comes with that face unlock. That is also AI face unlock. That is pretty fast and I think it is very much secure. At least it will not be unlocked with your pictures. Now moving on to the best thing that Xiaomi has put in this Redmi 6 Pro, and it is the same camera setup as on Redmi 5 Pro. So it is the 12 megapixel with 5 megapixel dual camera setup with that aperture f2.2. And there is also single LED flash in the middle. Just now I cannot tell in detail that how camera performs, but here are some shots that are taken on Redmi 6 Pro, and I think they are nice, decent and almost the same as on Redmi Note 5 Pro. So this camera setup can record up to 1080p videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports EIS. As you can look, the video is not much shaky and EIS performs well. Whereas on the front it has 5 megapixel selfie camera with aperture of 2.0, and it is just decent, and I will talk about it in the review. Now moving on to the hardware that this smartphone packs. So it is powered with the same old Snapdragon 625, the Xiaomi's best processor, and I think that is good for this budget smartphone, and for now it performs very well on this smartphone. Redmi 6 Pro is backed up with 4000 mAh battery, and in the software department it is running on Android 8 Oreo, and on the top of that there is MIUI 9, and Xiaomi says that it will be soon updated to MIUI 10 stable. So the Redmi 6 Pro comes in 3GB RAM with 32GB internal memory and 4GB RAM with 64GB internal memory variants, and the starting price of this is 10,999 rupees. So I will soon be updating the review on this Redmi 6 Pro. Links to Redmi 6 Pro and Redmi Note 5 Pro are given in the description of this video, so check that out, and if you want to buy, you can buy it on the next flash sale. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching, meet you in the next one.